How to add shadow on text in GIMP with Alpha to Channel. First, we need to go here on File and create a new canvas. Click OK. And now we need to create a text layer. Simply click here and let's say, for example, GIMP. And now I will change the font style. And also I will change the size of this text. And now we need to create a shadow by using Alpha to Channel. First, activate text layer. Simply click on that layer and then right click here and then click here Alpha to Selection. And after that, again, you need to go here on Layer, then go here on Transparency, and here you can see I already added Alpha Channel. So now when I click here on delete on my keyboard, as you can see, I have deleted this text here, but selection stayed. So now I need to go here on select and go here on invert. And now I need to go here on filters, light and shadow. And for example, long shadow. And here you can see I added shadow. Here I can choose the style, I can say infinite, and this is how it looks. Also I can choose fading, but I can also choose fading fixed length. And here I can choose the angle. As you can see, angle is changing. Also I can choose the length, as you can see here, and I can also choose midpoint. Let's say, for example, I will leave it like this. Here I can choose different color. Let's say, for example, neon green. Here you can see how this looks. And let's just change, for example, to be this color here. Okay. And click OK. And now when I hide background, here you can see how this looks. So when I click here on select none, here you can see how this looks. Sometimes people wish this effect, only shadow effect. They don't want letters to be visible, to be colored. They just wish shadow. That is the effect that people sometimes wish, and this is how you do that. This is how you add shadow to text in GIMP with Alpha to Channel.